In this video, I'm going to show you how to add glow and shadow in Canva. First, add an image or shape into this canvas. For this demonstration, I'll go with this image. Since Canva only lets us pick one shadow effect at a time, we need to duplicate this element. Just press Ctrl D on your keyboard so we have two identical images. Now let's add the glow and shadow. Select the first image, then go to the top toolbar and click this edit option. From here, scroll down until you find the shadow section and click glow. Then scroll down again until you find the setting where you can change the size, blur amount, and intensity using this slider or type in some numbers into these fields. Then you can click this color icon to change the color of the glow. Just use this color picker or type in a hex code if you have one. Now let's add the shadow to the second image. Just select it, then go to the top toolbar and click this edit option again. Go to the shadow section and click drop shadow. Just like before, you can use these sliders or type in some numbers into these fields to adjust the blur amount, angle, distance, and intensity. Then you can also change the color here. Finally, place the image with the glow effect right on top of the one with the drop shadow. To do that, just drag the glow one like this, then go to the position option, click forward, and it will be on top of the one with the drop shadow. Then you can adjust the position like this. By putting the one with the glow on top, the light will look clear and won't be covered by the shadow. Then you can select them both and click group to lock them together. So that's how to add glow and shadow in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.